Good morning everyone, my name is Indah Nurasana. Today I would like to share you my critical review, the realization of interpersonal meaning on male and female students' personal letter by Dewi Nasita, Bambang Ruby Sugierto, and Lutfia Tuntoiba. So this study or this journal analyzing interpersonal meaning on male and female student personal letter by systemic functional linguistic. The aim is the interpersonal meaning relies on male and female students' personal letter and which one between male or female student is more emotionally expressive. This research involved 3 couples of male and female students in 11th grade at one of high school in Ciamis. And the research proved that female student is more expressive in showing their emotion than male student. Summary in research problem. So this problem in research is which one between male or female students is more emotionally expressive in writing personal letter. In literature review, the material of personal letter has on the syllabus of teaching and learning activity. Interpersonal letter is important to be mastered in high school education level. Personal letter would be helpful in teaching and learning process and improve student writing skill because the student should have the 4 important skills in language such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and personal letter is one of activity in writing, so it can be improved student skill in writing. This research is qualitative case study. The writer's analysis on male and female student personal letter. The differences between male and female student personal letter. The data was 6 letters gathered from the 3 couples of male and female students in the 11th grade in senior high school. So the first research question, research finding. The first step is identify the number of clauses and the realization of mood block constituent. The writer found 188 subject, 88 finite, 88 predicators, and 44 complements and 150 adjuncts. Then the clauses moved into mood and modality analysis. Next, mood and modality move into the table of interpersonal meaning, quantity summary, and the last one is interpretation was made by considering by the explanation of Higgins and Slade, 1994. The research finding question 2. Male students produce more of the imperative clauses, whereas female students produce more of interrogative. The interrogative clause was mostly produced by female students, and female students show greater modulation by showing inclination and capability, and it proves that female students lack in expressing modalization. Female students are highly in realization of laughter, emoticon, and full stop. And you can see the data was 5.27% emoticon in the male's letter and 13.2% on female's letter. So the conclusion from this journal is to conclude the writers found that the male and female students produce a number of clauses that were almost the same number. Moreover, both male and female students created a sense of politeness in their own way. The writers also found that female students dominated all characteristics of emotional expressive makers. This study proved that female student is more expressive in showing their emotion than male student. Overall, this is a good research. Regarding the research, the writer was used a qualitative case study. This analysis is very organized and all of the materials are explained very clearly. There is also a discussion on this journal. The results are consistent with the aims of the research, the realization of interpersonal meaning on male and female students later. But the writer did not give the clear information about how the 6 letters were obtained. It might have been helpful to provide more details of students' characteristics, or the writer might conduct the research not only 6 but a number of class, so the result might be more varied. It might be interesting if the writers include an example on male or female students' personal letters so the readers can reveal and make their opinion or their judgment from the letter. This study proved that female student is more expressive than male student. I have ever experienced when I was in high school. We had a lesson to write a personal letter. Mostly male student in my class finished the letter quickly than the female students, and the female students think so long what they write in the letter. Sometimes they ask their friend about her letter. They can even imagine that the letter like a real letter. The female student will write the letter very carefully, and they must be add small flowers or something, or maybe stars in their letter to make it beautiful. And maybe you have ever heard about women using heart and men using brain. There, and I found the research in University of Basel, Switzerland, talks about there's nothing wrong with that statement, and there's also nothing wrong with the statement that the woman more emotional than the man. And the research involved 189 teenagers, which is to know sensitivity and the emotional. From the research, the scientists describe that it's not heart cause it but the brain. There is different structure between men and women brain that determine sensitivity of emotion. So, yes, female is more emotion than male. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this is very useful for us, and see you next time. Bye.